What's up, flip-flop farmers? Welcome to Movie Pastor again. Doing a flip-flop farmer edition. Gonna show you what Dana's done with her little outdoor herb garden, so check it out. Of course, I have to show off the pool. That's where our old garden used to be. But now, Dana has planted her favorite basil and Cherokee purple tomato and some oregano and a jalapeno and some cilantro. And we're gonna see what happens this after we water and fertilize. So check it out. There we go. Look at that. We've got all kinds of herbs and produce, cilantro, dill, whatever the hell that is, and parsley and chive.